All this technology is confusing. And your ad spends are falling flat. Anything that makes it easy for me to manage multiple clients and campaigns. Is there a solution to all these problems?
Say hello to Ardodyne. Add a single Ardodyne FlexiPixel on your website, choose from the multiple creative designs available. Get a product feed ready to feed the creatives dynamically, and lastly choose a strategy to apply to your creatives. You are ready to go live using Ardodyne. Manage your campaigns in a few clicks. Now don't run into rough weather again unprepared. Watch your sales grow. Realize return on spends grow multifold. And watch your audience engage more with your brand. In short, problem solved. Now manage multiple advertisers, multiple brands, multiple campaigns with ease. Ardodyne gets you on target. Keep your clients happy. And time to enjoy that vacation.